Imagine if almost 40% of the work skills that you have right now becomes completely useless after just few years. It sounds crazy, but it is true. Because of artificial intelligence and machine learning, companies are changing fast and AI market is expected to reach over $1 trillion very soon. But what exactly is machine learning? Simply put, it has a brain behind the AI. It allows computers to look at the data, find patterns, and make decisions on their own without humans having programmed every single step. Every time a platform suggests a movie you end up loving, and also your bank instantly stops a fake charge in your cart, that is what machine learning at work. Businesses everywhere urgently need people who know how to build these smart systems. So why should you get a certificate instead of just watching a free videos? Getting a real certificate proves to companies that you have actually practiced with real data and tools. If you want to get a great job as an AI engineer or data scientist, you should check out my top 5 recommendations. Let's get into it. First up is the IHFC Technology Innovation Hub of IIT Delhi Professional Certificate Program in Generative AI, Machine Learning, and Intelligent Automation. This is an 11-month live online program. You will learn everything from basic Python coding to advanced AI from seasoned industry experts. During this course, you will build over 12 real-world projects. For example, you will build a smart chatbot for human resource and predict when someone might fail to pay a home loan. The benefits are amazing. You get a program completion certificate from IHFC and an exclusive 2-day campus immersion visit to IIT Delhi. Plus, top students can even earn executive club status and stand a chance to get startup incubation support. You also earn official badges from Microsoft Azure. At number 2, it is IIT Pravartak Technologies Foundation Professional Certificate in Generative AI, Machine Learning, and Intelligent Control Systems. This 6-month program is fast and highly focused. It mixes AI software with physical hardware like machines and sensors. You will build over 18 projects using more than 25 tools. Some of these projects including predicting when a factory machine will fail and using cameras to check if the store shelves are fully stocked. Now, when you finish, you will receive a program completion certificate from IIT Pravartak Technologies Foundations and become eligible for a 2-day visit to IIT Madras Research Park. And the best part, you receive AI-powered job assistance to help you build your resume and practice for interviews. The third one on the list is the E&ICT Academy IIT Kanpur Professional Certificate course in Generative AI and Machine Learning. This is another great 11-month live online program. This course focuses heavily on building AI that can create text and images and teaching computers to understand pictures. You will learn from industry experts and also get to attend special live online master classes delivered by esteemed IIT Kanpur faculty. You'll complete over 15 hands-on projects like building an AI that can turn text into striking design images. Just like the first course, you will also earn official badges from Microsoft Azure while you learn and receive a certificate from E&ICT Academy IIT Kanpur. Coming at number 4 is Machine Learning using Python course. This is perfect if you want to skip the broad AI topics and focus heavily on writing code. You get over 40 hours of applied learning and hands-on practice. It teaches you how to use Python programming language to make smart predictions from data. You will finish 2 big projects like predicting when employees might leave a company and grouping songs to create personalized playlists. You will also get a bonus course on advanced math and statistics to help you understand the data better. Best of all is that you will get 24/7 learning support from mentors to answer any questions you have while learning. And finally, at number 5, we have the Michigan Engineering Professional Education and IBM Professional Certificate in AI and Machine Learning. This is a 6-month program that only takes about 8 to 10 hours a week. It teaches very new topics like agentic AI. Agentic AI means building smart AI helpers that can think, plan, and do complex tasks with very little human help. You will work with over 15 modern tools and finish over 12 projects. The biggest bonus here is that you will earn a program completion certificate from the Michigan Engineering Professional Education plus 3 extra course certifications from IBM. You'll also get access to IBM masterclasses and can participate in IBM-hosted hackathons. To wrap things up, the world is changing fast and machine learning is driving that change. There are so many high-paying jobs opening up, and the demand for these skills is huge. Do not wait for your skills to get old. Getting certified gives you the exact practical experience that employers want. Pick the certificate that fits you the best and start learning today. The link for all the courses are given in the description box below and in the pinned comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Simplilearn for more such career advice, and tell me in the comments which course you are most excited about. Thank you for watching and keep learning with Simplilearn.